Hello friend, welcome back to HawkStack channel. Today we are starting with a very important DevOps and automation tool which name is Ansible. So I'm going to write very important topic. So it will be going to the Ansible, which is known as a automation tool. So if you are a Linux admin or working on RHL, then Ansible is must known skill to you. Okay. For example, if you are as a Linux admin or working on RHL, then Ansible is a must known skill. So, in this video, what we are going to see, first we are going to see what is, our first question will arise, what is Ansible? So, what is the mean of Ansible? If I'm going to explain, Ansible is an automation tool used to manage multiple server at same time. Okay, so Ansible is an automation tool used to manage multiple server at the same time. This is about Ansible. So, what is the features of the Ansible? So, first features I'm going to explain is it is agentless. Means you don't you don't need to install any software any software on client machine. Only Python plus SSH is enough. Second things, it is it is declarative. So what is the mean? You just define what you want and Ansible will make it happen. I'm writing as a statement. You just define what you want and Ansible will make it happen. So second features we have seen it is declarative. Third, it is idempotent. What is the mean of idempotent? Idempotent means, for example, if you are running same task multiple times, so it not breaking your system. It is the mean of idempotency. So means if you run the same task multiple times, it would not break your system. So basically with Ansible you can, what you can do with Ansible, we can do what we can do. First things, install software. We can install software. We can configure servers and we can deploy application and manage users, service and security. All automatic or automatically. So all these tasks you can perform when you are working with the Ansible. Now, the next question arises, why use Ansible? Why use Ansible? So if this question arises, what will be the answer? We can create a scenario or example to understand. So example is, just consider that it is an imagination. So imagine you have 50 servers and you want to install what you want to install. You want to install Apache on all of them, correct? So if there is no Ansible, or just consider without Ansible, how you are going to perform? Without Ansible, what you are going to do? You will log into 50 servers machine and run commands manually. What the manually command you are going to run? DNF install stdpd-y, like that you are going to do. So with the help of this method, you are going to install the Apache on 50 server. What is the situation if you are working with Ansible? So with Ansible, what will happen? Just log into control machine and write the task, whatever the task you want, write the task in playbook. When we are working with Ansible, there will be playbook in which you will mention that whatever the task you want to perform on server side, you mention, and it will be just logging into the control machine, write the task in a playbook, and it will be configured. And if you run it, it will configure to all machine in one time. So this is the usability of the Ansible. This is the reason why the Ansible is required. So what the benefits we are getting? We are getting the saves time, reduce error, and make system admins life easy, simple. So that is the reason why using Ansible. Now, how the Ansible is going to work? How Ansible is works. So Ansible has three main components. Ansible has three main components. What are the three main components for Ansible when you are working with Ansible? The first things will be control node or control machine. So this is the machine where Ansible is installed, or you can say which machine is going to control the other machine. That machine is known as the control node or control machine. Now, what is the second component? Second component will be managed node or machine, managed machine. The machine which is controlled by control node are known as the managed node. Simple. The machine who controlled by the control node is known as managed node. And third and important part will be the inventory. Inventory or inventory file, you can say. So inventory file means this is a file. This is a file who having the information regarding the managed node. The all managed node information is going to store as a file in the inventory file. So this is a file who having all host machine information who is going to control by the control node. So all host information are present in the inventory file. So this is the basic structure and basic information about Ansible. We will meet in next video with some new content related to Ansible. Thank you.